Do you know how much energy you use? For instance, when we get to the lab, we open the light, the notebook, and maybe use the toaster to bake bread. We use a lot of appliances each day, but we are unaware of how much energy we consume. HeatProbe tells you the energy consumption of appliances by using a thermal camera and thermal imaging algorithms. The system mainly consists of two parts. The first is a thermal camera that records the appliance usage in a room. The second is a power meter that tracks the power consumption of all appliances. The camera monitors the appliance usage and uses imaging techniques to map the thermal images to a temperature over time. An on event is detected when the temperature starts to increase. An off event is detected when the temperature starts to decrease. As to the power meter, an on event occurs when we turn on an appliance. An off event occurs when we turn off an appliance. We then match the thermal events with the power events based on time. Let's take a look of how things look under the thermal camera. When the light is turned on, the thermal image goes from blue to red. The temperature of the thermal images increases. The power consumption also goes up. The same happens when the user turns on the notebook and also the toaster. We then go into the matching stage of the system. We retrieve the thermal events and power events. Event matching is performed based on time. We then attribute the power amount to a thermal event. We can now get the power consumption of each appliance. HeatProbe achieves 80.2% accuracy in accounting per appliance power usage.